Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing ripe avocados because they mash smoothly and taste rich. Once selected, halve and remove the pit, then scoop the flesh into a bowl. Immediately squeeze half a lime over the exposed avocado to slow browning and add brightness. Using a fork, press and fold to create a base that keeps some chunks. This preserves texture. Make sure to stop when you hit a balance between creamy and chunky. This sets the foundation for the next flavor steps. Once your avocado base is ready, add minced red onion, diced tomato, chopped cilantro, and finely chopped jalapeno. You want contrast, not pulverization. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, then taste. Salt draws out flavors and controls bitterness. If the mix is too chunky, press more with the fork. If too smooth, fold and reserve larger pieces for bite. Make sure to add seasoning in small increments because acidity and salt amplify as they meld, so gradual adjustments prevent over-seasoning. You finish by retasting and squeezing the remaining lime, then adding small amounts of salt until the flavors pop. Acid balances richness and salt enhances herb notes. Transfer guacamole to a serving bowl and press plastic wrap onto the surface to minimize air contact, then refrigerate. If it tastes flat, add lime or salt a little at a time. If the top darkens slightly, scrape away the oxidized layer. The rest below is fine. That troubleshooting step saves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.